Bula everyone, let's talk about the amazing Kakadu Super Vitamin C Brightening Eye Cream with Bakuchi oil and hyaluronic. This amazing eye cream is going to banish dark circles and puffiness under your eyes while it stimulates collagen and smooths fine lines and wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid and neegrass are going to infuse moisture in the skin, keeping it really hydrated along with our botanical oil blend. You want to apply the eye cream after cleansing and toning. Take a little bit of the eye cream onto your ring finger like so. Dab it on both ring fingers and then evenly distribute an amount underneath the eye area. Now with your eye cream, everybody, you want to either just tap it into the skin and then go over the brow bone. You don't put this on your eyelids. You can also massage it in with an outward motion as well, helping to release some of that puffiness that you might be experiencing. So then the other side, you can again tap it in if you want to. I like to do a bit of both. Tap it in and then draw it out from the inner corner to the outer corner of your eye. It smells amazing as well. Of course, our vitamin C collection, it has the natural essential oil fragrance of ylang ylang, geranium and sweet orange, but more than anything, it's going to smooth and hydrate that area and really brighten it up.